Hi there, and welcome to the Helpful Thinking Handbook. I'm Linda Marlow, your compassionate and empathetic spiritual life coach. Today we're going to start by exploring the basics of helpful thinking, what it is, and how it can help you transform your life. I'm here at home, sitting in my dining room, ready to dive into this journey with you. But before we begin, let's take a moment to consider what you already know about helpful thinking. As Buddha said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. In the Helpful Thinking Handbook, we'll be looking at how you can use the power of your mind to achieve personal growth and success. Think about this question. What is helpful thinking? Take a moment to reflect on your answer, and we'll come back to it later. In the Helpful Thinking Handbook, I share with you how I stumbled upon the concept of helpful thinking as a teenager through reading Maxwell Maltz's self-help book, Psycho-Cybernetics. This book laid the foundation for many helpful thinking techniques that I use today. Through practicing helpful thinking, I've been able to redirect my thoughts during difficult times and experience personal and professional success by manifesting my dreams, including finding my soulmate, building a successful business, and achieving many of my personal goals. Beyond personal success, helpful thinking can also promote social, emotional learning and wellness. It supports the development of critical thinking, problem solving, and effective communication skills. But one significant obstacle to personal growth and well-being is automatic negative thoughts, or ANTs. These negative thought patterns can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, and self-doubt, and can hinder our ability to achieve our goals and dreams. Think about this question. Have you ever experienced an ant? Take a moment to reflect on your answer. In the Helpful Thinking Handbook, we'll explore how we identify and challenge ants, replacing them with positive and constructive thought patterns that support our personal growth and success. Now, let's go back to the question we asked at the beginning of the video. What is helpful thinking? Let's use the learning goals we've created to guide our discussion. Learning goal number 1, define helpful thinking. What is your definition of helpful thinking? For me, helpful thinking is a practice that involves controlling your thoughts by replacing harmful thoughts with helpful ones. Learning goal number 2, explain how helpful thinking can promote personal growth and well-being. Can you think of at least 2 ways in which helpful thinking can promote personal growth and well-being? Some examples include developing positive thought patterns, increasing emotional intelligence, building stronger relationships with others, and promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. By embracing a growth mindset and practicing helpful thinking, we can approach life with curiosity and resilience and learn from our mistakes and setbacks. Learning goal number 3, identify automatic negative thoughts, or ANTs, and understand how they can hinder personal growth and success. Can you identify an ant and describe how it can hinder personal growth and success? One example of an ant is, I'm not good enough. This thought can lead to feelings of self-doubt and can hinder our ability to achieve our goals and dreams. Learning goal number 4, identify positive and constructive thought patterns that support personal growth and success. Can you identify a positive and constructive thought pattern that supports personal growth and success? One example of a positive and constructive thought pattern is, I am capable of achieving my goals with hard work and perseverance. This thought pattern promotes a growth mindset and can help us overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Now that we've explored the basics of helpful thinking, I hope you have a better understanding of how it can help you transform your life. In the upcoming videos of the following chapters of the Helpful Thinking Handbook, we'll dive deeper into techniques and practices that will assist you in thinking in more helpful ways. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you.